In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your market watch on Pepperstone. Start by making sure you are already logged into your Pepperstone Kidder platform. Once you are inside the platform, move to the left side of the screen. This is where you will find the Watch Lists panel. This panel shows the trading instruments that are currently saved in your market watch or watch list area. Take a moment to review the instruments that are already displayed. This helps you see the current layout before making any changes. If you want to change the order of the instruments, click on one of them and drag it to a new position in the list. Then drop it where you want it to appear. This is the easiest way to rearrange your watch list and place your most important markets where they are easier to access. Continue dragging and dropping instruments until the list matches your preferred order. You can organize them based on asset type, trading frequency, or any layout that works best for you. The goal is to make the watch list easier to scan and more useful during your trading session. If you need more options for a specific instrument, right-click on it. This will open additional watch list actions. From here, you may be able to manage the item more efficiently, depending on what changes you want to make. If there are instruments you no longer want to monitor, remove them from the watch list. This helps keep the panel clean and focused only on the markets that matter to you. A smaller and more organized list can make navigation faster and reduce distractions while trading. To add new instruments, use the search field in the watch lists area. Type the name or symbol of the instrument you want to find. Once it appears in the search results, add it to your watch list. After adding it, you can also drag it into the exact position you want within the list. When you are done, review the updated watch list layout carefully. Check that the instruments are arranged in the order you prefer and that any unwanted items have been removed. If needed, continue adjusting the layout until everything looks right. Finally, verify that your watch list is organized the way you want. Once you have confirmed the setup, you are ready to continue using the platform with a cleaner and more efficient view of the markets. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.